Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I have a package that has come through the letterbox and I thought you might like to have a look at it with me. Okay, so let's get into it and have a look. I have opened the end to save me struggling on camera, hence the scissors. Okay, so we have a double-sided tip canvas and we have pre-bagged square drills. Okay, not a bad colour, quite a few muted colours there. Okay, and we have an inventory sheet, and last but not least a toolkit. Okay, yep, that's everything out of there. Right, okay, so what shall we look at first? Let's get the canvas open first and let this be relaxing while we're having a quick chat. So this one is from AliExpress and it is from the shop AZQSD, and I have used my coins on it from AliExpress, and I have made the huge decision to stop buying double-sided tape canvases from AliExpress, because at the moment I've probably got enough to last me about the next 20 years. And I really do need to start getting some of them done. So this could possibly be the last one that I actually do for a while, or unbox for a while. I am still doing my coins every day, collecting my coins every day, because there might be ones that come up that I just can't live without. What can I say? I'm a sucker for I'm a sucker for a bargain. But this is our little thumbnail. It's a beautiful stag with a moon between its antlers there, and my stepdaughter, our daughter, does love stags, so I think this may be a prezi going across to her to do. I'm not quite sure how many diamond paintings she's got to do at the moment, so I will ask her and see if she wants this one. But when I saw it, it was her that I had in mind for getting this one. Right, sorry about that. My little helper decided she wanted to go and find out what her dad's up to downstairs. That's Millie Moo, our little Scottish Terrier, our little Scotty dog. She quite often comes in here with me so she can supervise what I'm doing and let me know what I'm doing wrong. Which, yeah, if you could see the look on her face sometimes while I'm sat here talking to myself, yeah, the dog thinks I'm mad as a box of frogs. Oh, this is very pretty. It's a square drill, and it is a beautiful stag with a moon in the background. And this one cost me £2.15. So I think you get around about 500 coins. It only lets you use so many coins. There are occasions where things are a penny, and I have once got a canvas that was a penny, but only once in all the time I've been using it. You've got to be really quick when they launch them, when they put them up, you've got to be really quick to get the penny ones. But yeah, I think 500 coins gives you about £3 or £4 off. So this is probably sort of a £7-8 canvas, and I've got it for £2.15. Maybe more than £5, maybe more than £3 or £4. I've never quite worked it out. I think AliExpress have their own ways with coins and coupons, and I do think that sometimes different customers get different offers and get different coupons, and depending on how much you've shopped with them depends how much discount you get. I could be completely wrong, but that just, I don't know, I've never quite worked it out. But anyway, yeah, this was £2.15 and I just jumped on it and got it, as I say, for my stepdaughter. So yeah, it's all these standard symbols again, which, you know, these companies, I think they all more or less use the same factory, so your symbols tend to be more or less the same with your colours. Quite a muted colour palette actually, this one. And again, was this one AZQSD? Yeah, this one's AZQSD as well. I seem to have had a lot of offers from them. As I say, because I've spent quite a bit with them, I think that's why I'm getting a lot of offers from them. It'd be interesting to see somebody else's AliExpress account and see whether they get the same offers as me. I'm never quite sure how it works, but anyway. So it was worth it. and I just thought, oh well, just giving me another canvas to do. This one actually has the key codes at both sides, which is handy if you're wanting to work from your canvas, or you could cut one off and use it as like a walking legend rather than using your inventory sheet. But that's quite a nice clear inventory sheet there with your different colours and all your DMC codes on it as well, so that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let's flatten this down just that little bit. So I do like the colours on this one. And okay, it does need lining up. I don't know why I do it. It never lines up properly, but I do off camera. I do then go back and line it up. Honest. Your toolkit is their fairly standard one, which is your cheaper metal tweezers, your big plate of wax. You've got a little white, but the tweezers have got a little ring there. I think one of the previous unboxings that I did, the ring had come off and I couldn't work out what it was for. And now I can't find it. Where's it gone? There it is. There it is. And it's to go around your tweezers just to keep them together so you don't get stabbed. So your little cheaper metal tweezers, your little like flat bottom boat, a square of wax and a little pen grip on one of the clear sparkly pens with a 4-placer, and that will be a 10-placer because that seems to be fairly standard. Okay, so that's your tool kit, and let's have a look at the drills. Okay, all right, who's hidden the end? Aha, there it is. If you do like working from bags, then these kits are great. You can just check them off and number them up and then just work from your bags. Okay, so lovely greens, all different shades of green on this one. Really nice. All the like aquas and deep greens and emerald greens, and we've got army greens. It's a nice bright green as well. Oh, I love that colour. Very nice. So it doesn't make it quite so dark. So that's all your greeny colours there. That'll be your trees, top and bottom. We have some blues that will be the sky. Oops. And that one is 3750. So that's a big bag of that. So that looks like that's going to be mainly the darker sky. Browns, is that? That's 310. So we have a smaller bag of 310, but there is some in it, but that's not so bad. We can live with that amount. And we have all your fawns and like plummy, fawny, purpley colours and lilac-y colours, which will probably be making up your stag in the centre there. Okay, and your lighter cream colours, and then just a hint of white, 3865, which is probably on the moon. Not on the moon, on the moon on the picture. I aren't going all the way up there to do it. And then your greys, and yep, that one's 3799, and oh, that's a dark green colour and like a winey, deep red winey colour there. So it looks pretty good drills, nice colours. And we'll pop the inventory sheet in there as well. Okay. Fold that down, right, and to try and keep up my listings and everything, I am going to put a label on it. Please shout at me if I don't do this on unboxings from now on. So we're RF35319. Ooh, that didn't come out. RF3. My pen must be running out. Does that mean I've got far too many diamond paintings? I've been writing too much. Okay, and it is Stag, and I think we'll call it Stag Moon. Okay, and it's 30 by 40. AZQSD. And did we say it was £2.15 this one? I know it was cheap. Yeah, £2.15. Goodness me. Yeah, I'm going to stop looking though because I have got enough of these. I think I want to start trying new companies now, and I want to start trying new UK companies. And I have got quite a few huge hauls coming. So if you watch this space, I am going to have some unboxings and some different stuff. I do like my special drill projects. I've loved February and doing Smashing the Specials, because I just think they're so pretty, and I'm sure that at some point I am related to a magpie, because I just love anything sparkly and pretty. Okay, well, I think that's everything I've shown you. If you've got any questions, if you pop them in the comments down below, and I'll answer them best as I can. If you've enjoyed looking at this with me, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see more and see when I get those huge hauls, then if you press that subscribe button in this corner and the little all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So watch this space. Thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.